Hello, my friend. You don't think about this matter, tete. It dey worry you for mind, and because of that, it dey affect your decision to buy land. That question, it don't worry many people, not be only you. And that question now, how I fit take make money through real estate? I know say this one will be your first time when you visit this channel. I beg, make you subscribe and make you turn on that notification bell so that anytime we will post videos like this, you go fit see them quick. Plenty people don't, because of say they won't buy land where plenty people they buy land where don't develop small, because they won't buy land there, their money no reach to buy land. They can say, okay, I want save money keep so that I fit buy land for this location. Because of that, one thing or the other go still carry the money go, they go still start afresh to save money. Because of that matter, they no fit invest in that location. So how you fit take make money for real estate? Now question we will go answer today. You see, make we talk about first thing first where you go do. Not to buy land where you go fit pay for. Land where you go fit buy. No chase the one where you no go fit buy. If you take this one first, buy that land. If you not be where people don't develop, where they don't develop, but you know say this location, you don't make your research, you don't know say this location it go blow soon. Now that place you go quick rush go buy land. Now when you won't buy land, you get two types of land where you fit buy for that location. One, you fit buy commercial land. When I talk commercial land, which kind of land be commercial land? Commercial land na land where they face express. If they face express or if they face major road, if it be say na a place where be say business go move where now that kind of place they call commercial land. So it good make you first think which one you want to do. Now commercial land you want buy, I been a residential land. So you go think this one. If na commercial land, na correct thinking be that. If na residential land, na correct thinking be that. But make us start with commercial land. If you buy commercial land, if you start to make money immediately, or make you start to make money 2, 3, or 4 years later on top of that land, even if you're never ready to start to build that. I go tell you areas where you fit buy land now, 4 locations where you fit buy land now, where we say many people know they rush am, but na location where we say if you invest money both, you go make your money, and you go start to make money is either immediately or 3 to 4 years later if you make your money. Now if you buy land for Igbodu, if you buy land for Mowe or Fada, if you buy land for Ekpe, if you buy land for Badagry, for these 4 places you fit buy land. And what you fit do on top of this land, if it give you money. Remember what we talk about now, how you fit take make money through real estate. You know, if you not be land, you know they real. Land is something where you see, and as you buy them, you fit do something on top if it give you money. Make we talk about one of the things where you fit do on top. In fact, I get 5 of them where you fit do on top, where if it give you money, even if you're never ready to build them. Number 1, you feel rent the land out for those people where they look for where they go park their trucks. So for parking of trucks, you fit rent the land, give them, and you go to collect your cool cash from their hand. You go to make your money while your land they appreciate. You see they make money from the hands of those truck people. Another one way if you do be say mechanics, then they like to stay near express or near major road. You fit still rent them for mechanics, and when you rent them for mechanics you go see panebita go come, the wire go come, the welder go come. All these people they like take one place, because if they use one person, use other person, if you use the other person, use the other person, including vulcanizer. They always get this kind of arrangement. Then if you rent and give them, see they collect your money every year, no matter how the money small or big rich. You go to make money for your land, they go small. you fit still build filling station on top and rent it out. You no go put pump o, you just build filling station, build all those, put stand, do all those, arrange am well, then rent am out. The person wey wan rent am go buy pump put, dey sell im fuel, put the fuel put, and you go dey make your money. Now one way wey you fit take make money at this filling station, you fit cut up money on top for many years before you fit decide say okay, I no wan do filling station here again, or if you still continue to dey do am or reach where e go reach where you say maybe you wan sell am, you fit still sell the land back, and when you go sell am, na big money you go sell am. Another one be say if you build school, because school sometimes they like to dey close to where people fit really quick enter the school, carry their children come enter the school. So if you buy that land, if you build school, if you still rent them out. Another one wey be say if you give you better money na event center. If you build event center for there, and you go make your money cool cash, because people like to party. Even for this coronavirus, people see the party, so they see they use event center, so you go make money from your event center. So now what you fit do, and you save your land later. If you still decide okay, I won't build on top of this house, I won't build hotel, or you won't build this, you won't build that on top. So that one, now what you fit do now will be say, if you say you just buy the land and you think maybe you don't give am 2 or 3 years, the place don dey develop, you can't decide say you won't do things like that. So now what you go fit do, you go fit take make money for your land be this one. I know say this one fit be your first time when you visit this channel. I beg, make you subscribe and make you turn on that notification bell, so that anytime we will post videos like this, you go fit see am quick. I beg, make you subscribe and make you like or make you share, give your friends and your family people there, make them see wetin we dey do for here. And if you get anything where you want make we talk about, I beg, make you put am for comment section, so that we go see am and we go attend to am. Or if you get anything wey we need to do well, wey you want tell us, still tell us for under there. We like make you tell us wetin we need to do well, so that we could improve on am. So my name na Chidi, and na Maduana Home that they work with, and this one na property update.